Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing great. We are so excited with this new product that we have got with us right now. So today we are going to review a in-ear wireless headphone. So stay tuned for the full unboxing and the review of the product, guys. Okay guys, so today we have us with the Boat AirDopes Flex 454 ANC active noise cancellation. So this I have recently purchased it from Amazon. So today we will be unboxing this product and looking into the full review, and we will also check the sound quality, the wall quality, and I will give you my verdict whether you should go for this product or not, whether it's a value for product or not. So first of all, it's a normal packaging, guys, that you can see over here. Nothing much. Some key features mentioned over here. I got the white color variant over here with me. There is a matte black variant as well. So now first, okay, how does it open? Yep. So now let me just take the things out from here. Let's see what else are we getting. Okay, a different way of packaging. Sound that matters, bros banding, boats. The first update they have mentioned over here, boat your airdrops. Okay, they're asking us to update it. Here is the earpods, guys, in your TW earpods. So this is how it looks. Feels good in the hand. I like the shape. It's lightweight as well. The combination, I would have preferred it to be full white or full silver color, but this is also not looking bad. There is an LED indicator as well. Let me keep this aside. Let us see what are we getting. Okay, now there is an accessories box. Let me tell you guys, there have been a lot of cost cutting done by Boat in the packaging. I can figure it out. So this is the accessories box. Let us see what are we getting over here. Okay, as usual, we have got some ear tips and earbuds, two different sizes over here. Next, okay, a type C to type USB-A cable we are getting also. Okay, here we have the Boat head sticker. The quality has again reduced. Okay, this is a normal advertisement manual, as you can see, with the main IPL, some of the team sponsors who are there. Now what a good thing that Boat has done is they have not gone ahead and given us any manual. This is kind of a card that relates to, there is a QR that's given over here. So you scan the QR code and you will get a PDF, a soft copy of the manual, which is good. I think other brands should also follow this. I have already suggested this last year, long time back, even before Boat came out with this. And this product comes with 1 year of brand warranty as well, guys. So yes, so this is all that we are getting in the product, in the box. Now let me tell you the price, guys. This product I have purchased it from Flipkart, Amazon, and it's also available on Flipkart. You will be getting this product at a price of 1999, which is 2000, basically 1999 it's going to cost you. Now currently this product is out of stock on Boat's website, but you can still check on Amazon and Flipkart. You will be getting this product available over there. Now let me quickly take you through to the key features of this product. What are the main features that we are getting with this? Okay, on the first instance, guys, let me tell you, okay, the hinge feels good. There is a good sound. There is an LED indicator for connecting with your device the first time if you want to pair your device. A blue light is flashing for charging. This is a type C port given over here and a hard reset button. The first thing that I see over here, the size of the earbuds. Okay, the size of the earbuds is quite big in size. The stem is matte with the front dodges are shining. Let me look into the fitting. How does it fit? Okay, it fits well. Let me do a shake test. No, it's not falling. Fitting is not that bad, so you can go for gymming and all. It is fine. Now this Boat comes with Boat wearable app, guys. It has a app support as well. Coming up to looking into the main features of the earbud. Okay guys, so you need to in the Play Store, or you need to search for the Boat Hearable app. So once you click on it, you will get the app. This you need to open the application, and the moment you just go ahead and you open the lid of it, you will be able to go ahead and get it connected. Now in the app guys, you would be able to see the level of percentage of charge that is there these devices are currently having. This watch comes with three variant modes. Okay, so you can see you will get the active noise cancellation. In this mode guys, the app would the earbuds will be able to cancel out any noise up to 32 decibel. Then you have the ambient mode, which is more like a transparency mode, in which you will be able to hear the background noise as well as the noise, as well as the sound through your earbuds as well. Then you can also activate the Boat speak through. That is, if you're having a conversation with someone, and if your earbuds have the music, if you have the earbuds plugged in right now like I'm having, and if I'm having a conversation with someone, automatically the speak through function will get activated and the music will stop playing. Also guys, it has a Boat adaptive EQ over here, which you can activate it. It will give you a more immersive sound quality as well. Now you can go ahead and customize some of the functions of the earbud stems over here, as you can see. Next is the Boat smart talk. That means if you're getting a call, this is a great feature guys. You don't even need to touch your earbuds to receive a call. You can just ask to pick the Boat to pick up the receive the call, accept or reject. It will accept or reject the call itself. Plus caller announcement is normal feature that you get it. The name of the caller will be announced over here. In-ear detection, that means if you're wearing the earbuds, now this in-ear detection is a very good feature guys. Now if you are putting your earbuds down like this, the music will automatically stop. Once you take it and put it in your ears, again the music will start playing. So this is a good function. Multi-point connectivity is again a great feature and practical feature. This is which will allow you to connect two devices at a time. So if you're using your mobile, you connect your mobile along. If you're working, you can connect your laptop, connect it with the earbud as well. So at the same time, two devices can be connected. Multi-connection is possible. Next, you would be able to look for updates over here, and the user manual is also given in the app, plus you can scan it as well. In case of any kind of issue that you're facing, Diagnose My Device will also help you. Okay, now talking about some of the key features guys, let me also go ahead and tell you that this Boat earbuds comes with 10 drivers with Boat immersive sound technology signature technology, which gives you a good sound experience. So talking about the other features, the playback time, the Boat earbuds on a 10 minutes charge can play for over 4 hours in total guys. If you're using an active noise cancellation and if you want to listen to music, it will give you over 9 hours of playback time with backup of around 36 hours through the case. And if you're not using the ANC mode, then you will get over 12 hours of playback time and 48 hours through backup through the case. Now in terms of this guys, you can see the playback time is quite good. Now on full charge of the earbuds and the case guys, you get 60 hours of battery life, 40 hours of battery life if you're using active noise cancellation. Now these were some of the great important features guys, and also Boat AirDrop 454 also supports OK Google voice assistance is also supported. Even it reads Siri as well. So overall this is not a bad product guys. Now let's look into the sound quality guys. Now I am going to play a song with good bass. Okay, so my initial expression is the sounds are jumping on top of each other. By that what I mean is the bass is very punchy. On full volume, if I increase the volume to full, the sound is distorting. Trebles are high, but bass is very punchy over here guys. You don't need to keep the volumes at 100% to experience good bass. 75 to 80% is good enough. It's loud, the sound is loud. Overall the sound quality is good. I won't say it's bad. It's how typical sound quality that Boat comes with, but I will not say it's very premium sound quality you're getting. I still think that Realme T100 is one of the best earbuds that you will get in this price segment. Now the price is also reduced to around 1300 to 1500. What I'll do is I'll attach the link in the description and also on the I button. You can click over here and you can also check that earbud out. Overall, the sound is not bad. It's a good. Many people actually likes that punchiness in the sound, the bass, so they will enjoy it. Now coming to my feedback, guys, what I would share with you is out of 5, let me just quickly give you the ratings. In terms of price, is this product priced properly? I would say yes. 2000 is not that bad a price, so I'll give it a 4 out of 5 in terms of price. In terms of build and design, see, in terms of build quality, it's really good, but in terms of design is where I will deduct the marks, because this earbuds are actually quite big, and if you're using it for over hours, it might hurt your ears. You'll feel it if you're sleeping and twisting and turning like this. So I'll give it a 3.5 in terms of design and build. In terms of quality, I will give it a 2.5 or 3, somewhere between that. Sound quality, I'll give it again a 3. Again, that's totally as per my sound. I think the bass is overpowering over here, so because of that I'm giving it something between 3 to 3.5. Chalo, 3.5 we can give it, but nothing more than that. Now overall, is this a value for money product? Should you go for this product? Guys, I'll tell you, definitely you should go for this product, because I know there is a certain segment in the market of these earbuds who are blind boat customers who wants to go for boat. You can go for them. But if you ask me, if I want to compare this with any other earbuds, if feature is so many features is not your lookout, if you say you are in more inclined towards sound quality, call quality, I will still say, which I've been saying for quite a long time, till now for the last 2 years in the market, the best earbud is Realme Tech Life T100. Blindly go for that. But if you need features, yeah, and if you are restricted on budget, this is the one that you need to go for. Forget about Realme T300, the updated variant of T100. Realme T300 is not that good, especially the quality is horrendous. This is way better. I don't know, I expected a lot from T300, but it disappointed me. So in terms of that, whether it's a value for money product or not, I will give it a 4 out of it, because I know that people have a budget crunch, they don't want to spend much on these brands. Yes, but if you are open to spending, then you can always look for OnePlus Nord 2 best TWS. OnePlus Nord 2 TWS is one of the best. I just love using it. Apart from my Apple AirPods Pro 2, other times I am using that. It's really nice. But again, it's priced on a higher side. But in this price segment, go for it. This is much better. OnePlus has also come out with a lower variant, ICE or SE, something like that. Don't go for that. It's priced on a comparative price segment. That's not the features on this one is much better. So yes guys, this is a value for money product. You can go for it. If you have a budget constraint, then go for it. If not, then yes, there are other opportunities you can look for. Now guys, with that we come to the end of today's video. I hope you have really enjoyed the video and liked it. Do press the like button, share our videos with your friends and family members. And by now, wait a second, by now I'm sure you have subscribed to the channel. If not, what are you doing? Please pause the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's Review with Krish. Over here we go ahead and unbox new products, do their review, testing, and we share the unbiased opinion, because these are products that are not endorsed by brands to us. We purchase it, we use it, and this is totally a feedback on my experience after using this product. So you can follow our Instagram page, you can follow our Facebook page, Let's Review with Krish. You'll get the details over here and also at the end screen. You can send us your queries, or you can message us on Instagram, you can reach out to us in Facebook, or even in YouTube. You can put in your question. If you have any questions on the comment section, if you have any suggestions, do let us know. We will like to work upon them as well. and you can also reach out to us officially. Now with that, we come to the end of this video, guys. Once again, do subscribe to our channel, Let's Review with Krish, and I hope this video will help you to make a decision in your buying process. Thank you. Have a good day, guys.